Ladies and gentlemen, you are most welcome to Kasa TV. Kasa TV is basically located in Kasarani constituency, Nairobi County. And today in studio we're privileged to have Terra Squad coach, none other than Msaleto Ms, and who happens to be the director of the former Da Warriors dancing group, and currently the admin of Kasarani on the lookout. Following a huge social platform that has got more than 210 participants and very active. So without much ado, ladies and gentlemen, allow me bring in the director Msaleto Ms. Msaleto Ms, welcome to Kasa TV.
Asante sana kwa kuniinvite hapa Kasa TV.
Yes.
And I'm privileged to be at your platform.
Very true.
I hope we'll have good discussions and good things to talk about.
Before we introduce the two beautiful ladies that I can see here, Kasa TV, you've heard about it.
Yes, I've heard of Kasa TV, yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
We are going to have a lot of events. We're going to have from entertainment, sports, business, and basically politics.
Yes.
You are good in sports.
Yes.
Last round we courtesy of Terra Squad.
Yeah.
The baddest.
The only team in Eastern Central Africa.
Eastern Central Africa. How?
Yes. This is the baddest team. You've heard of the baddest team, Terra Squad FC, also known as Kasarani Red Eagles. This is one of the biggest team in Kasarani. You are also a fan, I know.
Of course, I'm fan number 20.
You've been attending our matches.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
So, with your permission, allow us introduce
the beautiful ladies. These are our number one fans. Every matches, they always attend our matches.
I'm not taking too long to wait to see that smile. Yes. Can you hand over the microphone? Yes, you can watch. You just turn to that microphone, that camera.
Hello, people. My name is Grace. I live in Kasarani. I'm a great fan of Terra Squad, jersey number 4. Yeah.
Before you hand over the microphone to another beautiful lady here called Francisca.
Yes.
Da Warriors was a dancing group.
Yes.
It was in the name was all over.
Yes, it was all over. Yes.
What happened? Is it still there?
Yeah, Da Warriors was basically a group that we formed when we were in our teens.
Yes.
So we used to dance after high school. We started dancing, and we apparently became a very big group, and that's why most of our legends from Da Warriors are doing very well outside there in terms of music.
Mentioning of the legend, there was a great man, a darkest man in the dark Africa called MC Tony.
Yes, MC Tony.
Walim teacher.
Yes, he's now in Malindi doing great stuff.
Right.
Actually, that contributed to Da Warriors not us participating mostly in dancing, because most of us got jobs different places. Some are in Nakuru, some are in Mombasa, some are in Malindi, some are also in Nairobi doing their different events programs. That is why I also think that it led for us to stop dancing.
Munafikiria tena kama mavijana kunacha the other young talents?
Yes, of course. We are nurturing young talents, and that's why I always find pride in organizing events, just to make sure that the next generation of talents, of dancers, of actors, of singers, or every passion that the young people have come to light. Yes.
Kindly pass the microphone. This lady, she's salivating to have the microphone on set. Introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Francisca, of course from Kasarani, and I'm privileged here to have Msaleto, the coach of Terra Squad FC, the baddest, the number 1 team in Kasarani, by the way. And I'd like to special thanks to the manager, Ursula, of course, and Tony, and all the fans, and Jared, the Psych-Up master. Yeah. Actually, Jared and MC Tony, they're the Psych-Up masters. So without them, actually the team will be dull. So they give psych to our players. No wonder you say they are bullies. Actually, they're not. They're the good people we know here.
Let's give them that credit.
Yeah.
I want to ask one question.
Yes.
There was this money that the FKF president, current Nicky Mwendwa, talked about, 1.something billion.
Yes.
Is Terra Squad part of the beneficiaries? What are the plans on the ground?
So what happened is that FKF got the sponsorship for the Premier League clubs. Yeah. Then because the second division, that is nationwide, had their sponsor. Now the rest of the money went to Division 1.
Right.
So we are in Division 2. Now we are playing FKF Division 2. So we are just hoping that before the elections, because the elections will be in October,
Yes.
we are just hoping that before the elections or after maybe the elections, the sponsorship would come to Division 2. Yeah, because we are spending a lot of money in Division 2. But as we say, if the money doesn't come,
Yeah.
our next agenda would be to work hard, because we are just one level to Division 1.
All right.
So that we enter the money bracket where at least some of our officials and fans would at least have some rest time. So my parting shot would be to just encourage young people not to give up, to stay strong, to keep working hard, to network as youth. And I would just like to encourage them that they stay strong, they network, they work together. And at the end of the day, they can always achieve what they want to achieve. Si lazima wategemea wazaende achieve whatever they want to achieve. We as young people can take up these positions. We as young people can get into these offices. We as young people can work together and achieve whatever we want to achieve. I've seen many young people coming from grass to grace. So it's never their limitation to achieve whatever they want to achieve.
You've heard it yourself, our viewer. That was Msaleto Ms, aka Vincent Okello. Before I let you go, I want to assure you that you as the youth, as he has rightfully put it, and I can echo what the president said, you as the youth, you have every other reason to make a change wherever you are. We proudly that you're watching Kasa TV. Till other time, I was your host, Job Ongera.